Hi friends, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about string functions. As we have already discussed strings in the previous video, in this video we will learn about string functions. So let's discuss various different types of string functions one by one. Now first one is a concatenation function. If you want your strings to combine, then for that you have to use concatenation function. What you have to do, you have to first of all declare the objects. This is a string s1 is equals to new string ja. Now string s2 is to new string va. Now you want to concatenate your string, that is concatenating your string s1 with s2. What you have to do, s1 dot concatenate function, start concatenate function, and in the function you have to give the parameter s2, that is the object of string s2. So if you want to concatenate your string s2 with s1, then you have to do the opposite, s2 dot concatenate s1. So let's see the output of this. As we are concatenating s1 with s2, so your output is java. It is completing your word, that is Java. Now next is the equals. In this function it will check the equality of two strings. In this example, see this example, in this examples we have both the strings with same characters, and here you have to notice that if you having same positions of the strings, that is 0 1 2 3, it is also having 0 1 2 3, and case of the string is also the same. So when this function execute, it will give the output true. If there is a space between this or in this string, then when it will match your string, then it will give the output false. And also if your string case is not matching, that is if this Java is in small case and this Java is in uppercase, then also it will give your boolean value, that is false. Now next is the equals ignore case. In this case it is just the opposite of the equals function. In this case, it will first of all match the array positions, that is 0 1 2 3, here also 0 1 2 3, and after that it will match the characters j a a v v and a. And in this it will not match the case, it will ignore the case, that is it will not check the uppercase or small uppercase or lowercase. It will only check the characters matching and positions matching, and then after that it will give the output true. Okay, so this is the equals ignore case. Now next is the charAt. In this it will tell you the position of the character. Now let's see here. If you want to know the position of any character, here you having a string hello Java, and you want to know the you want that what is the letter or what is the character at position 2, then you have to give the position number here, and after that it will return the output here L, that is, it means that HEL, it means here you having L at position 2, here 0 1 2. So okay, so this is the charAt. Now next is uppercase. In this, if you want your string to convert your all the characters to uppercase, then use this function, that is s1 dot 2. Here 2 is in small letters, and it's upper, is u means upper, it means in uppercase, and here C also in uppercase, and all the letters are like this, and in this it will return the output hello Java. It will convert your string, convert all your small case letters, that is lowercase letters, to uppercase letters in a capitalized format. Okay, now next is the lowercase. It is just the opposite of uppercase. In this it is converting your hello Java, that is in uppercase format, to lowercase format. Okay, so this is the output hello Java in small case, that is in short letters. Now next is the indexof. In this, if you want to know the index position of this letter, this character, then first of all you have to put the letter here in this function, which character you want to know the position or index Okay, after that it will give the output like this, JAVA. Here you having 0 1 2, so it is returning 2 output. Okay, so V is stored at the position 2 in the array. Okay, now next is a substring. In the substring, if you want that your string starts with some particular position, for example, you want to display only AVA position number in your function, that is substring function. For that you have to use substring function. You have given here 1, it will start your printing your characters from position 1 till last. And second thing is that if you want you want to print only AV, not A, so for that what you have to do, 1 that is the starting, and 3 means here 3 is exclusive. Here it will not include in the output. It is exclusive. It is exclusive in nature. Okay, so it will only print AV. Now this is the output on the screen, AVA for the first substring, and AV for the second. Okay, now next is a trim. Now in this, what does trimming means? It is trimming the spaces between the string. Now here you having this space between this Java word, that is a 0 1 2 3 4. So you having five positions here, total 5 positions. So it is trimming your blank space here, and it is giving you output Java only. Okay, not including the space. Now next is a replace. In replace, what is in replace? Replacing means replacing the old word with the new word, or old string with the new string. Here you have stored your string with the Java keyword, with the name Java, and you want to replace this Java string with the new word, that is Python. What you have to do, you have to use a replace function, and in that, firstly you have to give the string which is already stored, which is already there, that is Java. Now now in second you have to write that string which you want, with which you want to replace. So this is the Python. Okay, now after that you have after executing your program, you will appear with this output, that is Python. Now next is the length. In the length function, what is the meaning of length? It will tell you the length of the string. Here first of all, in this string, see the length. Here you having the space in between this string, 0 1 2 3 and 4. Now it's giving you 4 length of this string. Now check the second string, 0 1 2 3. Now let's check the output of this. That this is the output, 4 for the first string and 3 for the second string. This is the length of the string. Okay, now next is the start with. And in this if you want to check the characters which is already stored in the string array, okay, now you want to check all the strings which starts with the letter, with the character, that is any character, that is, for example, here we are checking character starts with J. So it will just return the value true or false, because give you the yes or no of that there is a string or not. So here J starts with J. Yes, you having the string with Java starting with J letter, so it will give the output true. Okay, now next ends with. Ends with is just the opposite of starts with. Here it is checking the string which is ending with LO. Yes, you having the string in the array which is ending with LO, so it will give you output true. Now next is the reverse. Here that reverse function in the string is not in working condition. Why? Because as I have already told you in the previous video, that strings are immutable. So that's why reverse function is not applicable. So this is not it will give you the error if you try to reversing your string, if you try to use this function using string. Okay, so it will give you error. Now next is contains. Contains function checks that particular string is contained. For example, you having a string Java language. Now you want to check is language string is contained in this particular statement. Now what you have to do, you have to s1 dot contains language. Next, after that you have to execute your program. Yes, we are having language string here. It will returns the value true. Okay. Now value of to print the statement, print your numbers with the help of strings, then you have to use a value of function. What you have to do, first of all you have to declare the integer a is equals to 12. Now after that string declaration, after that you have to use the s1 dot value of a. Here is the object, you have to call the object in this. It is just here it is storing the object a, and after that it will give you the value 12. It is just a typecasting, just doing the typecasting, nothing else. Okay. Now you have to do these programs, enter username from user, but the condition is that first letter of the name should be in capital and last letter should be in the small letters. If the above condition is not satisfied, then it will print incorrect format. Next program is check the number of vowels from a string. So these are the programs. I'm going to show you, I will show you just the how to make the program. You have to practice on your own. You having this program, enter username first letter. What you have to do, scan your name here. After that system.out.println, enter your first letter. Here we have to set the condition that first letter should be in capital and last letter should be in small. String s1, and you have to name dot next line, then character c1, s1 dot character at 0. And here what does this mean? In this it will set that the character at position 0 means starting letter, first letter is that character 0, and second is the character c2. It means length minus 1. Length minus 1 means the last letter. Okay. Now here is the condition. If s1 dot character at 0 is equals to s1 dot uppercase, if it is in uppercase, then and s1 dot character at s1 dot length minus 1 is equals to lowercase, then it will print the state system.out.println valid statement. It means your name is valid, otherwise it will print invalid. Okay, let's see the demo here. Valid. Okay, it is giving a valid. Okay, this is the first program, and second program is that what is this second program? Let's see. Check the number of vowels from a string. For that, system.out. enter the string next line, and here you have to use the switch case, all the a, e, i, o, u in the uppercase and in the lowercase, and count plus plus. Okay, so see that here you having the string, some string. Now count is 0. If count is 0, integer count is 0, string dot length I plus plus. Now whatever the, if you have the if it is casing matching, case matched with this and this, it will just increment the count here, and it will print out that count. It will print that count. Okay, let's see the output. Enter the string. Here in this name we have 4 vowels, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, it is giving the output correct. Okay, this is all about string functions. So this is all about string functions. So thank you.